This video will show you how to change the label size. The current label is a standard address label size, 30 per letter sheet. To change this size, go to Toolbar and click on Design Type. This app comes with support for hundreds of popular label sizes and shapes. You can also customize your own label size. The template list is sorted by the total number of labels per sheet. Scroll down the list to find the label size you wish to use. Click on the row to preview the label layout. When you find the label size you wish to use, click on Save to update the design canvas to the new label size. Above the template list are drop-down lists for paper size and measurement unit. You can select between different paper sizes and switch the measurement units between inches and centimeters. Once you have decided on a label size, you can start your design. We will add a simple text box and type in our address. Thanks for watching. Orion Label and Print Studio is a Mac app for label and DIY design. Check out other videos in this playlist for more design tutorials.